So it's all about helping people's lives. I think I want to go back into industry after I complete my degree so that I can continue to do what I was doing before, namely developing the products and making sure that all of these new therapies can actually enter the market and help people who need it. So at the ISPE Biotech Conference, I've managed to see a lot of topics regarding continuous manufacturing and cell and gene therapy, and I think those hot topics that are there right now are definitely influencing where I want my research to go to. And I think there are areas which I can directly integrate into my project so that I can have publishable material so that it's then going to be read by the rest of the community and potentially integrated into the works that we'll see at all of the major biotech firms later. It's a dream, but it's something that could potentially happen and at least have a chance of having an impact towards a person's life later. The fact that ISPE Foundation is able to sponsor students like myself in order to come and talk to these industry professionals and keep in touch with what's going on here, it makes that dream a lot more realistic and actually approachable. At the conference, I've been learning a lot about where certain technologies are advancing within the industry, specifically things like cell and gene therapy advances and continuous manufacturing. I was surprised at the people that we're talking here. It's representatives from Moderna, from Pfizer, from Sanofi, all the big names that are well respected, and it's also the people who are genuinely having an impact on the technologies and therapies that are coming out. I want to thank the ISPE Foundation for this opportunity to come to the Biotechnology Conference. It's been a great experience, and I've definitely reinforced a lot of where the trends are going and where I need to shape my own research for in the future so that I can have an impact on people's lives.